If you're looking for a quick, and I mean 5-minute or less, breakfast idea, all you need to start is a banana. Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
Let's talk smoothies. And the reason we're talking smoothies is because you probably have all or most of these ingredients already in your home. Now, a smoothie consists of 4 elements. That's it, just 4, and these can vary. So, a fresh or frozen berry, and I'm just using a mixed blend of frozen berries. Number 1. Number 2, a liquid such as milk or juice, but I lean towards milk, better for you, and it could be any kind of milk. A thickener, such as a banana or a yogurt, I say banana, and then a sweetener of your choice. It could be honey or agave or even maple syrup. Whatever you have on hand that would help sweeten it. It could just be Splenda or some sort of sugar element, but I always go for the liquid if possible. So let's see what happens very quickly. We take our frozen fruit, boom, into the blender. Super easy. Then you need a banana. Now I like to use kind of the deader bananas, something you might use, one that you might decide was not good enough to eat anymore, but could be in a banana bread. Those make perfect bananas for smoothies because you're just blending them up. And if they're not ripe, they do not blend very well. So there we go. Thickener. Now we have our liquid, just a half a cup. And you could use oat milk, regular milk. I use lactose-free milk because I have a lactose situation. And that is going in. And then I tend to go for something like honey. I don't even always use a sweetener. I think it adds a nice little kick to it. You don't have to. You could keep experimenting and see how you feel. Now, if you want to go beyond the straight up smoothie game, you could add peanut butter or some sort of nut butter. You could add oats. In fact, let's add a little bit of oat and just see how fun that is. Just a little. You could add seeds, chia seeds. You could add greens. I'm not a big fan of that, but I know a lot of you are. You could add greens, and then all you're gonna do is blend this. Gird your loins. Here we go. All right, now I always like to give it a little punch at the end just to make sure some banana chunks, although you might like your smoothies chunky. I'm gonna give it a little kick just to check it out. Okay, now you can see this is very heavy, so we're gonna have a lot of pink in there. I'm just gonna pour it right into this glass. Or if you need it to go, get yourself a to-go cup. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Now, if you are like me, you're gonna scrape every bit of that goodness out of that. I would never rinse that off. Rinse that out. No. I'm gonna get it all. And just like that, you have a very healthy, quick, and yummy breakfast. Then I'm going to take my banana. Now, I like to use kind of the deader bananas, something you might use for a banana.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.